How are you, students? How are you doing? Today we are going to see about the evolution of humans. Before this session, we have discussed about the evidence for evolution. Evolutional evidences, we have seen 5 different evidences. Fossils as an evidence, which is paleontological evidences. We have seen comparative anatomy, comparative embryology, comparative biochemistry, and plants and animal breeding as an evidence for evolution. Do you remember those lessons, students? Very good. Today we are going to see about the evolution of humans. What are we and where we come from? This is a big question. So, in this lesson, these different types of questions should have to be answered. What is a human? What is a hominid? What were early humans or hominids like? How long have humans or hominids have been around? Where and when did modern humans originate, or Homo sapiens originate, and so on? Are you ready to answer those different questions? So just continue the next sessions and you'll get the answers in my discussion. In evolution, there are different words in evolution, and there are different ancestral line, evolutionary line, starting from early primates up to the current hominids. Primates, early primates may have originated around 50 million years ago, and prosimians around 58 million years ago. Monkeys 35 million years ago, apes around 25 years ago, and hominids. When we say hominids, it includes Lucy, Australopithecus, Ardipithecus, Homo sapiens, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, and so on, Homo neanderthalis as well. So evolution starts, evolution of primates starts around 58 million years ago. First, arboreal mammal. Arboreal means organisms which are living on tree. These organisms were assumed to be, they resemble shrews, the first arboreal mammal. And they had long snouts, they have a good sense of smell, and probably they were nocturnal. In this case, when you say nocturnal, organisms which are active at night time and passive, or they live in the burrow at daytime. And these organisms were believed to be very active, and they have strong claws. The organisms seems like this. Organisms which have long snouts, claws, they resemble shrew, and so on. The organisms which are believed to be evolved after the first arboreal mammal are prosimians. They are first primates. These are prosimians, which are believed to be the first primates on Earth. Primates have some common characteristics or common features. The first common characteristic of primate is they have binocular color vision. Eyes of primates have a common binocular field, and they reduced their snouts in order to observe, or in order to see things clearly, or in order to control blocking the vision. So this is the common characteristic. Every primates, prosimians, apes, monkeys, and also human beings have a binocular color vision. This is common characteristic of primates. The second common characteristics of limbs, common characteristics of primates is having opposable digits. The thumb and the toe are opposable in order to grasp branches of trees, since they are arboreal. Grasp and release, grasp and release branches of trees to climb up and down in the trees. So they have opposable digits. Mobile limbs and claws, opposable digits, allow primates to freely grasp and release tree branches. Most primates have flat nails. Most primates have flat nails, as well as sensitive parts under their finger toes, in order to sense the structure what they touch. These are 4 different types of primates. As you can see, they have opposable digits in order to grasp branches of trees. For example, we can take tree shrews, tarsiers, macaque, and also human. These all different types of organisms are primates. They show common structures or features. There are 2 groups of primates. The first one are prosimians, that we have seen earlier, and the second one are anthropoids. In prosimians, there are lemurs, loris, poto, and tarsiers. In anthropoids, we have monkeys, apes, and man. These are prosimians: tarsiers, lemur, poto, and loris. These are very different from anthropoids. If you study on anthropoids, we get monkey, apes, and man. Monkeys, let's see these 3 types of anthropoids one by one. Monkeys, there are 2 types of monkeys: Old World monkey and New World monkey. These 2 types of monkeys have their own difference in evolution. The New World monkey have flat face. As you can see, this is a New World monkey. It have flat face and wide nostrils, and also prehensile tail. Their tail is prehensile. They use this tail in order to climb trees. They grasp the tree branches by their tails. It is prehensile. It can be coiled and grasp branches of trees. The second type of monkey is called Old World monkey. This type of monkey have long snouts. Their snouts is longer. They have closer nostrils. Their nostrils are very close, and they have non-prehensile tail. Their tail is not coiling because they do not use their tail to grasp branches. These are the 2 different types of monkeys. The second type of anthropoids are apes. Apes are so they are sometimes called modern apes. There are two types of apes, an African ape and Asian ape. African ape are chimpanzee and gorilla. These are chimpanzees and these are gorilla. These two types of apes are African apes. And this one is orangutan, which is Asian ape. These types of apes are believed to be evolved from monkeys. They are believed to be evolved from monkeys. The next anthropoids are humans. To be a human, the following criteria should have to be fulfilled. Standard primate characteristics like having opposable digits and having binocular vision. The second one, standing in upright position and bipedal posture. That means standing in 2 feet upright position. The third one, they should have to have much expanded brain or larger brain or high degree of encephalization. The fourth one is they should have to have well-defined sexual dimorphism. Well-defined sexual dimorphism means a distinct difference between the male and female characteristics. Females have their own characteristics and males also have. So this is called sexual dimorphism. And well-altered female sexual responses, extended childhood age, language, society, and culture. So, what are hominids? Hominids are human-like species. They are not, all of them are not humans, but human-like species, including us, like Australopithecus afarensis, Lucy, Homo erectus, Homo habilis, Homo neanderthalensis, Homo sapiens. These all are included in hominids. Hominids, all of them are bipedals. They walk on 2 feet. And they are intelligent. Their degree of